Welcome back to 4W Report. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 enters a new generation with a clear mission to provide a reliable, capable, and family-friendly compact sport utility vehicle for everyday drivers. Long known for its durability and ease of use, the RAV4 continues to focus on real-world performance and practicality. For this model year, Toyota has introduced a bold exterior redesign while moving entirely toward electrified powertrains, offering only hybrid and plug-in hybrid options. This reflects Toyota's goal to reduce emissions and increase efficiency across its lineup without compromising the usability and strength that have defined the RAV4 for decades. One of the most important updates for 2026 is the powertrain lineup. The RAV4 Hybrid features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine paired with two electric motors. This setup delivers a combined output of up to 226 horsepower in front-wheel drive models. For those choosing all-wheel drive, a third motor is added to the rear axle, increasing total output to 236 horsepower. Drivers seeking more power can opt for the plug-in hybrid version, which produces a commanding 320 horsepower and includes all-wheel drive as standard. Pricing for the 2026 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid is expected to begin at approximately $34,000 United States. Higher trim levels, especially those equipped with plug-in hybrid powertrains, can reach up to $51,000. While Toyota has not yet shared all trim-specific details, the broad price range signals a variety of configurations for different needs and preferences. Towing capability remains one of the RAV4's strongest qualities. Base models with front-wheel drive and standard all-wheel drive can tow up to 1,750 pounds, while most other variants increase that rating to 3,500 pounds. This makes the RAV4 a dependable choice for families who need to pull small trailers, carry recreational equipment, or travel with extra gear. The plug-in hybrid versions also enhance functionality with an electric-only driving range of up to 50 miles. Charging the battery from 10% to 80% can take as little as 30 minutes when using a direct current fast charger, though this fast charging feature is only offered on select models such as the XSE and Woodland trims. Inside the cabin, the RAV4 continues to focus on practicality. The interior offers generous passenger space for both front and rear occupants, and the layout is designed for easy access and comfort. The dashboard features a clean horizontal design with sturdy controls and usable storage compartments, including a wide center console with integrated bins. Seating for 5 comes standard, with different trim levels offering a range of materials, from rugged cloth to soft-touch faux leather and suede-style upholstery with detailed stitching. Infotainment is centered around a standard 10.5-inch display, while higher trims feature a larger 12.9-inch screen. Both systems support wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and they allow 2 smartphones to connect via Bluetooth at once. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster is included in every model, and upper trims offer added features such as a head-up display and a 9-speaker audio system tuned by JBL. With its renewed focus on performance, practicality, and everyday comfort, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 remains a smart and capable option for drivers who need more from their compact sport utility vehicle.